Hi knitting friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cover how to work Intarsia cables. If you are unfamiliar with the Intarsia technique, I highly recommend you pop over to my YouTube channel and watch the intro and basics to Intarsia. With Intarsia cable knitting, in this example, your cables as they move on the fabric will be worked in a different color than the main color of your fabric. For this technique, I highly recommend using bobbins or creating small balls of yarn of your accent colors because you're going to need to move them with your stitches as they move across the fabric. I will show you what I mean. I'm going to go ahead and work all the way up to these green stitches, and then we're going to work a cable. Now, please keep in mind I am a combination knitter, so some of my stitches and how I work them may look differently than yours. Just go ahead and work your stitches as you normally do. Now that I'm up to these green stitches, we're going to cable. We're going to take our trusty little cable needle and we're going to move these 3 green stitches to the left, so the green stitches will move to the front, and we need to carry our little bobbin of green with it. This will eliminate any floats or strands going across the back of the work, and it kind of hides and tucks in all of those extra colored strands. Now we're just going to purl the next 2 stitches of taupe. Go ahead and take your green bobbin back to the back. I'm going to transfer my green stitches back onto my working needle. And now we need to do the classic Intarsia, the twist and lock. So I'm going to take the taupe over the green and twist them together to lock them in place. This will help prevent a hole. So we're going to twist and lock. Now we're going to knit our 3 green stitches. There we go. Now we're going to do the next cable. So we're going to take the blue cable and we're going to move it to the right. In order to do this, we need to transfer the 2 taupe stitches behind the work. So we're going to use our little cable needle here. Transfer them onto the cable needle, and we're going to hold them in the back. Now, as you can see, this strand of yarn wants to go behind, but we're going to bring it up between and carry it with our stitches. But before we can knit, we need to twist and lock the green and the blue together to prevent a hole. So we're going to take the green, twist it over the blue. That will lock the fabric in place to prevent that hole. And then you're going to go ahead and knit the 3 blue stitches. Now we need to work our taupe. I'm going to transfer these stitches back onto my working needle. Make sure this green stays where he needs to live, okay? And now we're going to carry the taupe behind the work. That'll be the only strand that you see. We're going to twist and lock with the blue. So the blue over the taupe, bring the taupe over the blue, and then work your taupe colors. That will prevent those from creating a hole. We'll work to the end and I'll show you the back of the work. It's that simple. You're just working those cable stitches with a different color. So there's the front, you have the 2 strands of different colors making different cables. And then on the back, you can see here, all you see is mainly taupe. You see a little bit of our accent color popping through the back, but there's no floats coming through. So when this is worked on the wrong side, this gets carried up, then this gets tucked in place, this taupe here, then they'll cross and get tucked and carried. It's the twist and lock will be your friend to prevent any holes from forming in your beautiful cable intarsia work. I hope that this helped you want to dive into the world of cabled